What's up guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. A few months ago, no, nilabas ni DJI yung DJI Mic Mini 2. In fact, a few of my colleagues, even Louie, bought one for herself. I believe she got Mic Mini 2 transmitter version. Just a few weeks ago, nilabas sa China yung DJI Mic Mini 2S. The difference is that with the Mic Mini 2S, you can now record internally. And that is different, no, from the Mic Mini 2 because you won't be able to do that with the Mic Mini 2. Now, this is interesting because if you're able to do this, no, makapag-record ka ng 32-bit float recording on the Mic Mini 2S, which is available only on the DJI Mic 3 and DJI Mic 2. No? Malaking bagay yan if you wish to tweak more of the audio rather that you've already recorded. Now, here in this channel, in this video, I'm showing you two versions of the Mic Mini 2S that's finally available here in the Philippines. No? The Mic Mini 2S with 2 transmitter at saka naman yung Mic Mini 2S na 1 transmitter. Nagpadala rin si DJI ng dalawang version ng adapter. No? There is an adapter na USB-C to Lightning at saka naman USB-C to USB-C. They also sent multicolor windscreens, so if you want to be able to use these and iba-iba yung kulay na gusto mong gawin, pwede yan. And at the same time, there's also a series camera adapter para magamit mo yung kanyang receiver to your favorite camera. Kasi with the current setup of the Mic Mini 2, you won't be able to do that unless you have this particular hardware or accessory. And lastly, we have here multicolor magnetic front cover set, which is applicable and compatible with the DJI Mic Mini 2S. So gagawin ko is I'm going to unbox these things and give you guys a quick overview. And then later on, I'll be asking you to check out our website at gadgetpilipinas.net where you'll find our comprehensive review of the Mic Mini 2S. So go and check it out. Okay, so let's go ahead now and unbox first the Mic Mini 2S very quickly. Okay, so inside this, meron siyang carrying case. Ayan, to, carrying case. And we do have also some documentations and sticker. And inside the carrying case, you've got a few accessories. We do have here also some plates for the Mini 2S. And then also we've got some cables and TRS cables natin. There's nothing else inside except for the magnets. Yan, so meron tayong mga magnets and also extra plates as well. And that's pretty much everything inside the bag. And then we also, of course, have the Mini 2S na charging case. Now, comparing this to the charging case of the Mic 3, almost, actually same size siya ng Mic 3, if you take a look at it. This is the Mic 3, this is the Mini 2S. So, ibig sabihin nito, if you're thinking of getting the Mic 3, pero kapos ka sa budget, then you can consider, getting this. Same naman ng kanilang form factor almost, and you get interchangeable plates. Let's go ahead and remove this. Alright. There you go. Lagyan natin dito. Boom. Naka-pre-install na yung pinaka wind screen. Yan siya. What we can do is we're going to remove this. And then insert. And then this is now the receiver. Yan. So, pwedeng tanggalin to. And that's pretty much it. What's good about this is that yung pinaka-case na mismo, as you can see right there, these are magnetic. So, pwede mong ilagay dito yung pinaka-magnets. Now, to give you guys a quick demo of that, let's do it. Magnet. Ooh, lakas. Magnet. There you go. Gusto ko yan kasi kahit paano, kahit naka-install ito, pwede pa rin. No? Wala pa rin tayong issue with it. Quick look at this. There you go. Let's remove. Then here, semi-transparent Mini 2S. Wala naka-install dito ngayon na plate. You have the record button, link button, indicator. If you press this, no? If you press and hold this, magko-connect siya. Ready for connection. Now, the same thing with this as well. If we put on the plate, there, look at that. Galing. Oh. Okay, so what else are here? We've got here as well the cable, the audio cable, and the USB-C to USB-C if you wish to charge it. And apart from that, if you get the Mini 2S na mayroong dalawang transmitter, you also get these free plates as well. Daming kulay. Look at that. And if I'm not wrong, these are the same things or same contents dito sa loob ng... It's the same thing. Yan. Alright. Ngayon, if you'll be probably asking, no, asan yung dalawa na yan? And probably because may nakasama na if you're going to get the Mic Mini 2S with only one transmitter. Yan. Difference lang is, ayan, no, ito yung difference ng kulay. You've got black, 2 extra blacks here. And now let's proceed in opening the other one which only has one transmitter. So para naman sa inyo na gustong bumili ng isa lang transmitter, this is the way, at least these are the things inside the box, no? Okay, you've got documentations. We also get here a small pouch. Very thoughtful, huh? Kasama rin siya. May pouch din siya na kasama. It's very nice. And then inside, we have a cable, Type-C cable. We've got the magnets. We have 2 included, no? Na black at saka yung clear na plates. And that is the reason why okay lang na ito yung bilhin mo. Baka magtaka ba't kulang, and that's because may kasama siyang dalawa. Silica gel, ito may kasama rin siya na ganito. Windscreen, and then so this is the charger. Ito yung sinasabi kong charger kanina, no, na included. Na if you're only bringing this and you won't be bringing the charging dock, ito yung kasama niya na charger. Okay, so it's a pogo pin, charged through pogo pin, and you have a Type-C. And inside, you have a very, very tiny charging dock. And I'll be showing you yung difference ng size niya doon sa isa. Okay, look at that. That's really tiny. As you can see. Right, it's very small. Now, inside, very, very nice. Kasi meron din siya na ganito, kompleto. And then also, you have the transmitter. The receiver rather is different here. Because yung receiver nito is yung flat style na receiver. And then you also have here provision for a receiver and a transmitter. Okay, pati yung magnet, because it does have a magnet as well here. Ang galing, ha? So, pwede natin itong ikabit dito. Yan, so ito yung, ayan, nakita nyo? Pwede mo itago very neatly yung charger dito. Ay, yung magnet rather. Pwedeng pa ganito. Yun, galing, oh. I have the option to put the clip here. That's the reason why there is a parang recessed area right there. So if I choose na gamitin ito rather than using the clip, I can do so. Like that. Galing. Then let's close it. Ooh, pwedeng ganun. That would do. That's fine. That's okay with me. Very good. And the other things na nandito would be, of course, ang applicable sa atin is yung USB-C to USB-C. Let us unbox this. Ito siya. Ganoon siya kaliit. And the purpose of this is for you to extend. Dito. Ayan. So if you want to put this on, let's say, on other action cameras that you have, no? For example, Or for example, your smartphone, like so. Pwede. Yan. Pwedeng ganyan, itsura niya, or pwedeng kabila. Of course, you have the option to just simply use this per se. O pwede. Okay lang yon. But in the end, there's also an option, no, for you to use this as well. Extender kasi siya. Yun ang pinaka-purpose niya. Now, the question now is, if you're going to take a look at this, wala siyang Type-C dito, no? So for you to be able to transfer the files here, you have to connect it on the base, and then after that, ko-connect mo dito. In this case kasi, it's through here, or you can also use the charger. May pogo dyan, and then you connect this now to your computer, so you can transfer your 32-bit float recording from your microphone to your PC or your phone if you want to. So again, these are the microphones, the new ones, the Mic Mini 2S. This is the one transmitter version, and then the other one naman is yung two transmitter version. We do have also extra multicolor windscreens that you can use. Again, no, it's up to you. Ito lang naman yung mga windscreen yan, iba-iba lang ang kulay. Should you wish to use them, it's nice, it's fine. No? But in my case, I won't be going to a place na medyo mahangin, but this is also something that you may want to also buy kung malakas ang hangin in locations that you will be shooting. So yeah, this has been our quick unboxing of the new microphones by DJI, the DJI Mic Mini 2S in two versions. This is again the bigger one. Ito yung merong two transmitter, and we also have here yun namang merong one transmitter, one transmitter version. Pwede mo itago yan dyan if you want to, para pwede mo siyang isara. Kasi pag naka-install siya, hindi mo masasara eh. Yan, that's the one. Really cool, look at that. Alright, so this has been GN of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Again, special thanks to DJI for sending these over. I also encourage you to check out our full review of the DJI Mic Mini 2S on gadgetpilipinas.net. And also, I believe OMG Louie is also posting her own version of the review and contents. Alright, see you in the next one.